DeepSeek is this new AI reasoning model that has taken the whole AI industry by storm. It's free for consumers, performs as good as OpenAI O1 and O3 models, and is much cheaper. Well, it comes from China, and they always offer everything at a fraction of the cost, so not surprised there. But there's a catch. The default way of using DeepSeek means sending your data to Chinese servers. For many businesses and consumers, that's unfortunately a deal breaker, especially with recent privacy concerns and data regulations like GDPR. The good news, you can still use DeepSeek safely without sending any data to China. In this video, I'll show you 5 completely secure ways to use DeepSeek while keeping your data on US or European servers. If it's your first time watching this channel, hi, my name is Joanna and I run Lapsbit.ai, an AI product development studio where we help businesses build, launch and scale AI agents. So let's get right into it. So the first method is using DeepSeek via Perplexity. They have recently included the DeepSeek R1 model as part of their Pro subscription, which is $20 per month, which gives you around 500 queries per day, which is more than enough for the average user. And this method is actually how I prefer to use it because it combines DeepSeek's reasoning capabilities with real-time web results. The second method is using it via Microsoft Azure, which is known for its very strict enterprise-grade data privacy standards, and you can easily create an account if you don't have, select the DeepSeek R1 model, and either use it in their playground or get an API key to use it for your project. As of 1st of February 2025, the pricing is not yet available. Third method is using it via Groq, and what is great about Groq is that it's known for being optimized for insanely fast inference. So if you're someone using it for complex reasoning tasks like coding or math and you want low latency, Groq might be just for you. When you use Groq's platform, everything happens on their servers in the US, and what I love about it is how clean and simple it is. You just go into Groq, select the DeepSeek model, and you're ready to chat with it. And the cool thing is, once you're done with your session, Groq automatically clears all your inputs and outputs, so no data hanging around, it's like all temporary. They currently offer DeepSeek R1 model as a preview model though, so it cannot be used in production environments. Fourth way is through OpenRouter AI. What's cool about OpenRouter is that they give you access to all the available models and you get to choose where your requests are being processed. You can pick servers in the US or EU, so again, no data going to China. And also their pricing is super transparent and there are no rate limits. You just load your account with credits and just pay per token based on which model you use. And as of today, the DeepSeek R1 model is free to use in their playground and around 75 cents per million tokens if you want to use it for projects. Last but not least method is using it via Together AI. They host DeepSeek R1 on their AI acceleration cloud, and what's really cool about this option is that they're super strict about data protection. So similarly to Groq, they don't store your inputs or use them for training. So your data comes in, gets processed, and that's it, no hanging around on their servers. If you're dealing with regulations like GDPR or CCPA, you'll appreciate that you can choose where your data gets processed. Oh, and they also support 128,000 token context windows. That means you can analyze really long documents or have super detailed conversations. Their prices though start from $7 per million tokens, which is a bit pricier than others. So there you have it, 5 completely secure ways to use DeepSeek without sending any data to China. Whether you're a business owner or a developer or just someone who wants to try out DeepSeek, there's an option that for sure fits your needs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content about building, launching and scaling AI solutions. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I am answering every single one. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.